Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring payments on Shopify. So we are going to create a subscription system or recurring payment system into our Shopify store. So it is very easy to add it. So we are going to head over our Shopify store. Then make sure that we have at least some products. Now we are going to click on home. Then we are going to click on the search bar at the top and type in subscription. So subscriptions, and then we are going to here see Shopify subscriptions. We're going to click on the app, and from this app you can go ahead and find it here, or you can go ahead and find it into the Shopify app store in case you are not going to see this app. So we are going to type in subscription. We're going to see a lot of apps, but we are going to use here the mother developer, which is going to be Shopify. So this is the app or the official app of Shopify. I'm going to click on install, and in just a few seconds, we're going to permit the installation on the store. Now we are going to head over the admin dashboard. I'm going to pin the app to the navigation, which is going to be called subscriptions. And now what we're going to do is to wait for the dashboard to load up. So we are going to see the dashboard here. What are we going to do is to follow up the setup guide. Here we have 5 steps. The first step is to create the first subscription plan or recurrent payment plan, import existing contracts if we have, add subscriptions to product pages, allow the customers to manage subscription, and customize the notification. We're going to create a first plan right there, put a plan title, for example, test, and then you're going to have here the purchase option title. You're going to select a product. For example, I'm going to choose this product. Then we are going to set up the offer if you're going to offer a discount. If not, you're going to add it as it is. Now we are going to click on save. The first step is set. The subscription is ready. We're going to visit the subscriptions again. We're going to import the data. I'm going to ignore that step. Now we are going to add the widget into our page or product pages. So we are going to enable that widget. So we are going to wait for the widget, and normally it is going to be showing up right there. So we are going to head over the app embeds. Here we have subscription widget. I'm going to enable that, click on save, and this is it. Now we are going to close the editor, mark it as completed. We are going to allow the customers to complete or turn on the subscription management. We are going to turn it on. Basically, you are going to see it in here. So you are going to see some, as you can see here, default names, also addresses. Now we are going to click on customize a notification. You can go ahead and click on edit, customize customer notification. I'm going to put it just like this. And then you are going to give the uh, full customization for the customers. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.